Republic now breaking down details of the latest we're picking up on Pradeep Sharma arrest. Remember, the former encounter specialist is now in the court, and we have breaking information that is coming in as far as the NIA's observations and arguments are concerned. The NIA is making some sensational arguments, and I quote, Sharma custody is needed because it has come to light that his involvement has been proven in the Mansukh Hiren case. So that is one point that the NIA is making at this point in time. Also pointing out how he was in good terms with Sachin Waze. So close aid to Sachin Waze is also something that the NIA is citing in the court. Further, it has also pointed out some other names whose role has come into light in the Mansukh Hiren death probe. So the NIA going on to name Pradeep and a few others whose role needs to be investigated, and the NIA essentially talking about a larger conspiracy as far as this case is concerned. But the NIA maintaining most importantly that there are some of these people who are primarily responsible and directly involved in the death of Mansukh Hiren. Mansukh Hiren's death, remember, has been a turning point in this entire case, is when these arrests started taking place, and Sachin Waze was also being questioned at the very same time. Priyanka, my colleague, is joining us on the phone line. Priyanka, the NIA maintaining in court as to why Pradeep Sharma's arrest is extremely crucial, and what are the evidences that suggest that he has also played a very important role in both the Antilia bomb scare case and the death of Mansukh Hiren.
Shocking revelations really coming in from the NIA inside the court, where our colleague Alisha is getting us all these details. But what is essentially is being done is that Pradeep Sharma's involvement is becoming more and more clear as and when the NIA is making submissions inside the court so that they can seek custody of Pradeep Sharma in the entire matter. They're claiming that Santosh Shelar, Anand Yadav were in fact present during the time that Mansukh had been murdered. In fact, the instructions had come directly from Sachin Waze and Pradeep Sharma. This is something that earlier as well NIA had revealed, and as per our sources, we had gotten confirmation of this, that this was a part of a larger conspiracy inside of which this entire murder conspiracy had been carried out by the people who have already been arrested on the instructions of Pradeep Sharma and Sachin Waze. This is a huge revelation that is being made by the NIA inside the court, that Pradeep Sharma and Sachin Waze were at the epicenter of it. In fact, they were the conspirators. They were the ones giving instructions to all of these people to carry out this murder of Mansukh Hiren as well. Apart from that, they're also saying that a lot of CDR has been seized from the properties of Pradeep Sharma. In fact, earlier as well, we had been saying that Pradeep Sharma's correspondence, Pradeep Sharma's call records had been seized, because of which his whereabouts and his call records had shown that he was in constant communication with Shelar on the days of March 3rd, 4th and 5th, is what our sources had also told us. And now the NIA is making those submissions inside of the court, claiming that he had been in communication, that there is a CDR in terms of evidence that has been seized. That goes to show that Pradeep Sharma and Sachin Waze were both hand in glove and were in fact the key conspirators who were giving instructions to all of these people who have now been arrested to carry out this murder conspiracy as well. Now, NIA has also seized custody of 14 days of Pradeep Sharma to confront him with all the evidence, the IP addresses, the footages, the CCTV footages, and the CDR records that have been seized by the NIA. The 14-day custody is not just for Pradeep Sharma, but for the other two people as well who have now been arrested, who are Satish and Manish, who had also actually carried out the entire murder of Mansukh Hiren, is what we're being given to understand, as NIA is making those submissions in real time inside the court. In fact, we're also being told that NIA is making these submissions claiming that Satish and Manish were in fact the ones who had called Sachin Waze and Pradeep Sharma. Now Newsbreak is also being confirmed here as the NIA is making these submissions, that Pradeep Sharma had been in constant communication with the people who had actually physically carried out the murder of Mansukh Hiren.
Yes.
And now the NIA is also making these submissions that Pradeep Sharma is a former top cop of the city, in fact, and he had been at the epicenter of this entire conspiracy of the murder of Mansukh Hiren, and not just
Priyanka,
the
these
murder
are
of
very,
Mansukh Hiren.
very serious submissions that the NI is making in the court. It is naming Satish and Manish and saying that these are the two people responsible for Mansukh Hiren's murder, and they were acting on the instructions of both Pradeep Sharma and Sachin Vaze. This is big. It is explosive. Quickly bringing in Yasha, my colleague as well. Yasha, apart from the entire conspiracy that the NI is trying to put out in front of the court, trying to break down the details of what they found out so far, they're also citing all that they've recovered from his residence. You've been reporting from outside his residence. The NI has gone now to talk about CDR. They've recovered arms and ammunition, weapons that are not licensed. So all those details that the NI is now putting out in the court.
That's right. So the NIA is now mentioning about the role of Sachin, of not only Pradeep Sharma, but also the other two accused who've been arrested. On the other hand, there's a mention of this particular red Tavera, which was used by Sunil Mane, and as a result of which now the DNA samples have also been found from those red Tavera. So as a result, what we've seen is that NIA is presenting all these facts, all these evidences that have been found out from their raids, that they have got from their raids before the NIA court right now, and have asked for 14 days custody of Sachin Vaze is what we see. And it was also mentioned that it was these people, the two other people, that is Manish Soni and Satish. These two people were involved, and they had a major involvement in this entire case, because they have accepted to have been key in the entire Mansukh Hiren death case. So here, the entire evidence is what we've seen is, while there were searches that were going on since this morning, there are more evidences that have come out before the NIA over the last few days after the arrest of these two people, that is Santosh Shelar and Anand Jadhav, and as a result of which, because of these evidences that have been procured by the NIA, the arrest of Pradeep Sharma becomes even more prominent as of now, because these evidences were procured, as even the NIA went on to add in the court that there's a huge volume of data that they've recovered, and also some CDR records, which show that Pradeep Sharma was in constant touch with some of these people, and as a result of which his role in the entire Antilla bomb scare case, or for that matter in the Mansukh Hiren death case, becomes quite clear. Thus NIA is seeking his custody. Yes.
So 14-day custody is what the NI is seeking at the moment, and those serious submissions being made by the NI in the court. But more importantly, the NI naming alleged killers of Mansukh Hiren. The NI says that the murder was done on the instructions of Sachin Vaze and Pradeep Sharma. So this is the biggest takeaway so far of the submissions that have been made, Yasha. And the NI very, very clearly taking those names. Let's not confuse anyone. Two names that have been taken by the NI very clearly, Satish and Manish, who have allegedly committed the murder on the instructions of both Sachin Vaze and Pradeep Sharma. So certainly the NI has ample of evidence to prove that both Sachin Vaze and Pradeep Sharma are directly, not just linked to planting the explosives as far as the Antilla bomb scare case is concerned, but directly involved in the death and the murder of Mansukh Hiren.
That's right. So what is also being understood right now is that this particular person, Sunil Mane, had also called up Pradeep Sharma after killing Mansukh Hiren. So here the entire question that is being raised by NIA in the court currently is the fact that why would someone call up Pradeep Sharma after the death? And on those basis is where the NIA is arguing this particular case. On the other hand, Pradeep Sharma's lawyer, is what we understand, he is mentioning that there is no larger conspiracy involved here. He has also happened to mention that he is not involved in the larger conspiracy. But what we see is NIA is currently asking for a 14-day custody, and as a result of which, what we see is NIA has several proofs, several documents and several evidences that clearly state that he was in constant touch with some of these people who were instrumental in killing, in the death of Mansukh Hiren, and as a result of which there are several of these evidences which have come out, including the CDR records, including several electronic evidences that have come out when it comes to the entire Pradeep Sharma case, because what we saw was earlier this morning, NIA SP Vikram Khalati had picked up several of these documents from Pradeep Sharma's residence himself, whereas Pradeep Sharma was not at his residence in the morning. Pradeep Sharma has been picked up from his farmhouse at Ambi Valley, which is in Lonavala. But what we understand as of now is because NIA is asking for his custody, and they have strong grounds to do that, because apart from Pradeep Sharma, there are two more people in the custody of NIA who have mentioned the name of Pradeep Sharma, and two more people who've been arrested who have links to Pradeep Sharma, because there are call data records of these two people, that is Manish Soni and Satish, with Pradeep Sharma, and as a result of which we see that his custody is being demanded by the NIA. Yes.
And Isha, as far as proving the argument is concerned, the NIA is saying what was the need of these two alleged killers to come back right after the murder, dial Sachin Vaze and Pradeep Sharma for that matter, if this is not a conspiracy, if they were not directly involved in the murder, because Pradeep Sharma's lawyer parallelly is maintaining that this is not a larger conspiracy. All these facts were known and were out in public domain earlier on as well. But the NIA breaking down details and citing certain call data is when they're saying that both of them, both Satish and Manish, dialed Sachin Vaze and Pradeep Sharma as well.
That's right, because we've known that both Sachin Vaze and Pradeep Sharma have been close associates ever since the last few decades, because both of them were what we know is the encounter specialists, some of the top cops in Mumbai. And apart from that, now here the question also arises about the fact that we've heard from our NIA sources wherein it was Pradeep Sharma who had gone to the Mumbai Crime Branch office 2 days before Mansukh Hiren's death. That was around the 2nd February, 2nd March, was when he had gone to the Mumbai Crime Branch office, where Sachin Vaze was working as the head of the CIU unit, and which is when they would have had a conversation. So there are several links to this case, because it was later when even Republic had got the CCTV footage of Sachin Vaze leaving from his office and heading all the way until Thane. So now there are several such clinchers which come forth, and they question the entire role of Pradeep Sharma and Sachin Vaze, because we've known that they've been close associates, and it was Sachin Vaze himself who had happened to mention Pradeep Sharma's name in this entire case. Now, what we understand is not only this is not the first time that Pradeep Sharma was questioned by the NIA. He was questioned twice even before that, along with other such close associates of Sachin Vaze, which included Riaz Qazi, who was also arrested by NIA. So now, as a result of which, what we've seen is several people close to Sachin Vaze have been arrested, leading to this 8th arrest in the case. In fact, with 2 more arrests, that becomes 10 arrests in this entire case. That is both the Mansukh Hiren death case as well as the Andhera bomb scare case.
And so that the NIA can confront Pradeep Sharma as well with the IP data and with the footages and the case files. That is why they're saying that they want his custody along with the 2 other accused as well. For the moment, we'll leave it at that, Yasha. We'll keep coming back to you. Thank you.